In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in iMessage. Drawing directly within your iMessage app can be a fun and creative way to communicate with friends and family. Whether you're sending a quick doodle, a little sketch, or something more animated, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up your Messages app. From here, choose the conversation you want to be a bit more artistic in. Once you've selected your desired conversation, turn your attention to the familiar interface where you usually type out your messages. Notice the plus icon just to the left of the text box. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a range of new options appear. What you're looking for is the digital touch icon. It's represented by a small icon of a heart with two fingers around it. This icon is your gateway to the fun drawing tools in iMessage. Tap on it and we can get started. Once you've tapped the digital touch icon, the interface will change and a black canvas will appear before you. This is where the magic happens. Feel free to get creative on this canvas. If you're not sure where to begin, let's walk through a few simple options. With one finger, start drawing directly on this canvas. Whether it's a simple shape or an elaborate sketch, as soon as you lift your finger, your drawing will be ready to send. If you want to add a bit of flair, try tapping on the canvas with two fingers simultaneously. This will send a heartbeat animation, giving an extra touch of emotion to your message. Alternatively, you can press and hold with two fingers on the canvas to create a fireball effect. These animated touches are great for adding a unique and personal element to your messages beyond static sketches. Once you've completed your masterpiece and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to send it off. To do that, simply tap the send button, the blue arrow icon, and your drawing will be on its way for the recipient to enjoy. A handy tip while you're getting artistic. Some phones allow you to turn your phone sideways into landscape mode, which opens up the handwriting screen. On this screen, you can create handwritten notes to send. This is particularly great for those personal handwritten touches that aren't as easily achieved with typed text. And that's it. A simple and creative way to draw and send messages using iMessage. Whether it's a quick doodle or a creative masterpiece, you're now equipped to share your artistic side with your friends and family in a fun digital format. Thanks for joining me and happy drawing in your iMessages.